Rip Weekly vlog, and you may see there's a little bit of a strange screen here. What I'm going to do today is for other vloggers and basically to show you a really bad example of how to use green screen on Imovie. So basically we're going to create a new project, you know how to do all of this, and we get to this certain page here. Okay, my videos are here. So this is going to be my backdrop video. Maybe if I go here first, that's going to help. This is live, raw and uncut, you see. And I'm going to do a very bad example of this here. Excuse it. Let's edit that straight away. So we're going to go there, we're going to go to crop, and all we're looking for is my really bad screen behind me. I just wanted to show you how simple it is. This is a shower curtain. And all I'm going to do is just going to put my face in like that, okay? Edited there, done. This one, I'm going to just drag it down to here as normal. And we want to make it a little bit larger. So we're going to put it there. I'm going to take away the background noise here. So I'm going to detach audio, just delete that. Now, this is the magic bit. Wherever you want it to go to, I'm sure you've done this bit before, but you're going to put it here. All right, and you can see on the picture there, it's just shows half and half. But the magic is, if you click this button here, and you're going to go to green and blue screen. And this is sort of like the magic. Bam. There we go. What you can do here is you can clean up the image behind. So all you need to do is go there and you can click this and it sort of cleans it up a little bit. Can you see that? See that? If you want to edit your face or you want to edit your background, you can move these things here. So if you just literally wanted my face there, you can get as close as you possibly can to that. Okay, it's a bit of fun, and I'm just showing you a very basic version. If you can get a bit of green cloth, for example, then that's going to be even better. Yes, I am an overweight person, and many people may think I'm weird. You know what? I don't care. I enjoy my life too much. All right, done, done. Allow, whatever. So, if we run the video, for example, from here, just pressing play, you can see eventually that my face comes up. And that's doing a green screen for you. It's a very basic version. You can get more advanced things from there. Example, if we go back to this, you want more softness. So how soft you want the display. So maybe you can put it down to there and you can see what else has happened. It's a little bit softer, but you can see I can move around and it's pretty good. It's great for doing vlogs or something like that and makes it a little bit different. I am going to go back into more vlogs about Siem Reap later on, but basically what's been happening, I've been moving house and I've settled down into my brand new apartment, and you can follow the videos on the Siem Reap channel to see what has happened, how to move, the cost, etc, etc. It's, can I say, I have a one bedroom, very big, can I say 70-80 square meter apartment for less than I had in the city centre, but got so much more. So it's something to think about in the future if you are living and you want to move. Follow some of the links and you'll get a great idea with that. That's all from the Siem Reap vlog for this week. I'll be back next week with some more interesting things about town as we come into September and the times when Brexit is happening in the UK and whatever's happening. But today I just wanted to show you a very simple program on how to do green screen on your iMovie on a Mac. On Windows, I don't know because I don't use that rubbish. Have a happy Monday, and I will see you next Monday. Be good to each other. This is Raw and Uncut Management signing right out. Bye bye for now.